Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can locate a loved one who is picked up by ICE. Guys, this isn't the type of video that I like to do, and as you can see, this isn't my usual setup, but I felt impressed to really get this information out to you. I hope that you won't ever need to use this, but in the event that you will need this information, here it is. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients nationwide at McBean Law. Our contact information is scrolling below. Reach out to us at McBean Law so that we can meet with you to find out what your immigration problem is and how we might be able to assist you. We believe that freedom is now, and you deserve to be free here in the United States with your loved ones. Now, let's get into this resource that I'd like to share with you. If your loved one or a friend or anyone who you know is picked up by ICE, but no one knows where to find this individual so that you can immediately get legal help to that individual, well, here's a terrific resource that ICE has. It's very easy to use on its website. This URL right here, locator.ice.gov. This a website allows you to search for your loved one or search for a person who is detained in two ways. You could either do it by entering their alien number, otherwise known as the A number, or you could enter some biographical information about that person, such as his or her name, country of birth, date of birth, and some other things. Let's get onto the page so that you could see exactly what I'm referring to. So here's the online detainer locator system. You could actually enter whatever language you speak. It defaults by showing you English, of course, but you could also search in Spanish, in Creole, and in many other languages. I see Chinese there and some other French and some other languages there. Once you have determined how you're going to do this, you could search by the A number if you know that person's alien number. Now, the A number is a 9-digit number, and this number is often found on immigration paperwork that your relative might have received from USCIS or even the immigration court, but it's a 9-digit number. Then you'd need their country of birth. If you do not have the alien number, you can certainly do a search a little easier by their name, first and last name, and then the country of their birth, the month, day, and year of their birth. Once you do that, it will tell you exactly where that person is, where they're being detained. If you cannot find their information on this website, you could also search by the field office. You can just narrow it down by the city. Where was your relative or friend last seen or known to be? Go onto the ICE field office's page and find that city. The information will be there, the phone number, and also an email address that you'll be able to use to locate that person. You could call the field office or you could email the field office. So this is usa.gov/detained by ICE, which has the same information that I've just shared with you. It says here to use the online detainee locator system and how to do that. And then it says here, if you cannot find someone who has been detained by immigration using the online system, contact an ICE enforcement and removal operations field office. That's what we were looking at a few minutes ago. That's the exact same page that you would need to go in and find the city where your loved one could potentially be. Guys, if your relative or friend or someone you know is detained by ICE, certainly immediately contact an immigration lawyer, a local lawyer who would be able to facilitate the attorney-client relationship with the detainee. Be sure to act swiftly, because if you don't know the extent of the problem that your relative is facing as far as deportation is concerned, the deportation process can be very, very swift, really fast. If your relative already has a removal order, they can literally put that person on a plane right away and send that person back. So you want to act very swiftly to locate that person and get legal help to that person. Many other individuals, they're not going to be subject to this fast deportation because they don't have a removal order currently. And so theirs is a process that will evolve a little slower. They have the right to go before an immigration judge and to present his or her case to the judge. Depending on whether relief is available for that person or not, they may or may not be issued a removal order. So I hope you found this information helpful. I wanted to keep it short and sweet for you. Be sure to share this video with other people, because truly you don't know if your neighbor or your coworker or your loved one or someone else who is in your life is in a situation that requires this information. So be sure to share it with others. Thanks so much for watching it. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell before you go today. Thanks very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.